Guyana, big up Linden. You know that go. Run through.
Reaction.
Tell me them love me, cause somewhere. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's a boy Time Blast, aka The Reaction. Who? Drop it down below in the comment section, because I'm kind of forgetting who. Is it this sexy ass dude right here who graduated from school? Oh shit! It's The Reaction! Back in effect with another video for you guys. Right now I have Daan Dawg Life official video 2021 was popping. I think he is from Guyana, but he's living in St. Lucia, I think. That's what I'm saying. Someone recommended it to me, you feel me? I'm not even familiar with it, but you know, I think it's Guyanese. So let's see what's popping. Like the video, comment on this video, drop some comment, just some fire emoji in the comment section right now. If you're a real supporter of music and of Daan chorus, drop a like so more people can see the reaction. Send a reaction to him too. Screenshot, screen record your favorite part. Tag me, tag him on Instagram. I'll be reposting. Follow me on Instagram right there, sir. Tariq Vlogs. Get me to 10,000 followers. That's the first thing. Go follow me on Instagram right now. Get me, wait for that. Make me run the Bumba Kubel song as happening. Right, tune. Alright then.
Dawg Life.
You done chorus. Dawg Life. You don't know. Yeah man. Yeah. See him sir. Guyana, big up Linden. You know that go. Run through. Boom. Oh, buckler. No, we couldn't. We have to change device to that one day. We have to change device to that one day. The most of the amount of war and been through. The amount of face when boss. The amount of all this and get them boss. Go on. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. You get what I'm telling you? The amount of shoot house. Right now I see with the NC back with Dawg. I have a look at any shit right there, so. Dawg Life, sang me on paper. Dawg Life. Go on.
Yo, man, I style them different. Why start out with the friend? Dawg Life, you know.
Dawg Life is roof. Why the fuck would I do that? That's so weird. I take that back. Delete that clip. Let's go. Well,
start out with the friend.
Yeah.
We not trust how we no friend. Dawg Life, you know.
Dawg Life, you know. Big up to one of the mongrel dog them.
Man still alive, praise to the Lord.
Thank you, Lord. No, pause. Yo, wait, pause. No, after say big up to one of the mongrel dog them on the roadside. We are back when a man that passed through the community. One of the days our community, big up to look mongrel dog them out on the road. We know them not bright enough to come in your house, come in your bed and come in your house, come. Yeah, big up to look mongrel dog them out the yard, dog, out the road. Big up a mongrel dog them, I go to the road, go shit out the road, and come shit in my house, dog. You see me, I said, I know American them. Big up a little mongrel dog them. Big up a mongrel dog them. Big up a dirty foot mongrel dog them, I sleep out the door, or them to dog house. And then I come home, sleep in a man bed. Big up a mongrel dog them. Big up the mongrel dog them, when on the DNT, if you go walk them in a cold, in a snow. If you go pick up shit in a bag. Big up a little mongrel dog.
But if you show no miss, cause you feel about karma. Me no back down from a war to start. And if you know your love tag, better you stay far. Cause when you gun pop off and your life first last. Cause me no love man and me no like him farmer. Shot in and bumbo clot. Use me knife bust short, you can't run with that. When you touch one tag, even fun so hot. I will keep the clip your friend.
The man say when you shoot, don't miss. Cause you know about karma. The man say when you touch one tag, the people sun so hot. Blood clot,
boys say them bad, them just love it talk. We never talk badness, I just the road we walk. I mean,
hold on. Remember that part of the
me no love man, I me no like him farm. Snitch get shot in and bumbo clot. Use me knife bust short.
Snitch get shot in and bumbo clot.
Touch one tag, even fun so hot. I will keep the clip load for when the fun for start.
Snitch get shot in and bumbo clot. Run through.
We never talk badness, I just the road we walk. I mean, spy people, me learn that from the boss. Spy child, yeah man, I start them friendly. Why start down with the friendly? We not just cause we no friendly. Dog life, you know.
Let me style them differently.
Why start down with the friendly?
You know, dog life, you know.
Yo, a bag of pussy all that try link up, but the whole of them weak. That's why we keep the circle small up. Goblins alone on the team. Yo, we see the spider my circle. Come close, me got something for you see. Boy looking at my gun and see straight to the bullet one yard.
That edit they good, but yo, what y'all thoughts on this video? As in, make it an honest opinion, funny. Drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. If it lit, drop some fire emoji. As in, I say if you mess with Daan chorus, yeah man, big up yourself, dog. As in, I say big up to the person who recommend this to me. I don't remember your name, but I don't know your chat, but big up yourself. Run through.
Ball gun when me squeeze. Come on, not evil lot. I mean, not really talk. My pop it off and clot it. Why start and the whole team I walk with mindset bomber that on your head in a target.
Bumbo clap, man, you hear that target, dog? Yeah.
Shortly, blood that run like water in a basket.
Blood that run like water. Blood that run like water. You know, basket have a hole in a hole. So a big hole in the head basically. Jaja. Go on.
Why start down with the
friendly?
We not trust car, we not friendly.
Dog life, you know. Every style them different.
Why start down
defend it.
We not trust car, we not friendly.
Dog life, you know.
Ready when you're ready, dog. 4 gunshot touch in your head, you know.
Sure.
Fuck around me and no bitch on bed, you know.
Sure.
You're ready in your belly till you're heavy. Boy, Baba. Ready. Man,
the man singing like saying, leave it to Bumbuckle it, dog. When you finish the song still, don't chat about it.
Bust them face.
Nigeria. Man ready. Yeah man, it's a good look for a what you say? Popcorn. Me can defend myself anywhere me go. Cha! Everybody know. You can't put me like your parents. I'm gonna cause up enough interference. Cause we never fear them. Never ever fear them. Do this one with send me prison. Bumbo clad. Them say you're bad in the dog. Yo, no, hold on. What for a second? What is that name, man? What is that name? What is that name? What the Bumbo class song name? I hate this. Run, John! You're so stubborn. You tune now run people. Them no want to shine. You this me like a picnic. And that's how the thing said. Why free-wear boss? When you was say popcorn. You can't defend myself anywhere me say. Everybody do a gas and me say. You can't beat me like your parents. And you got up no interference. Cause you never fear them. Never ever fear them. Do this one with the near them. Self-reprison here. Hey, them coulda never pay me to fear them. Yo, you know I'm gonna live on Instagram right now. Peace out, big up on yourself. I'm gonna live right now, my God.